The tension between the Slayton sisters has always been one of the most gripping elements of TLC's 1000 LB Sisters, but a recent explosive moment between Tammy and Amy Slayton is sending shockwaves through their fanbase and stirring fresh controversy online. This time, it's Tammy Slayton putting her younger sister Amy on full blast over what she claims is a complete backslide into dangerous old habits. In a jaw-dropping outburst caught on camera, Tammy accused Amy of throwing away all her progress, prompting speculation that the sisters' fragile bond may be more strained than ever. What began as a private conversation during filming has now erupted into a public storm, with both fans and critics weighing in on whether Tammy's frustration is warranted or way out of line. Sources close to the production confirmed that the dramatic confrontation unfolded during a recent filming session for the newest season. According to insiders, tensions had been building for weeks. Amy, who had reportedly been struggling emotionally in the aftermath of her breakup and the pressure of single-parenting two young sons, began gaining weight again. What alarmed those around her, including Tammy, wasn't just the scale, it was the behavior. Emotional eating, late-night takeout, skipping therapy and exercise, Amy was said to be reverting to old patterns. For Tammy, who has recently become a beacon of post-surgery discipline and transformation, this was simply too much to ignore. The change in dynamics between the sisters is stark. Just a few years ago, Amy was the one holding Tammy accountable, urging her older sister to fight for her health, checking in regularly, and even moving closer to be part of her support system. Now, it seems the tables have turned dramatically. Tammy, once the poster child for resistance and denial, has undergone a powerful transformation, not just physically, but emotionally as well. She's no longer just trying to survive. She's thriving. And for her, watching Amy spiral was heartbreaking. During the intense scene, Tammy didn't hold back. In front of the cameras and their family, she confronted Amy with a raw blend of frustration, disappointment, and genuine fear. "You said you'd never go back to that life," Tammy told her sister, her voice cracking. "I've been there, Amy. I know how easy it is to fall, and how hard it is to get back up. But you were supposed to be stronger." Amy, caught off guard, tried to explain. "I'm just overwhelmed, Tammy. I'm doing this alone now. The kids, the stress, the breakup, I didn't mean to gain weight. I lost control for a while." But Tammy wasn't having it. "We all got problems," she fired back. "You think it was easy for me after the surgery? Every day I wake up scared I'm gonna screw it all up. But I fight, Amy. You don't even try anymore." That last line hit like a ton of bricks. Cameras captured Amy's expression harden as she turned away, clearly wounded. The sisters didn't speak for the rest of the day, and insiders say filming had to be paused to let emotions cool down. The fallout from the incident has been immediate and intense. Online, the fandom is split. Some applaud Tammy for speaking hard truths. "Finally, Tammy is stepping up and taking charge," one fan wrote on Reddit. "She's doing amazing and just wants her sister to stay healthy too." Others think Tammy crossed a line. "You don't humiliate someone like that when they're already down," tweeted one viewer. Amy needs support, not criticism. Mental health experts have also weighed in on the situation. Dr. Lisa Browning, a clinical psychologist specializing in eating disorders, said the exchange reveals the complex interplay between trauma, emotional health, and food. Amy's weight gain is likely symptomatic of deeper emotional issues, not just laziness or lack of willpower, she explained. And while Tammy's concern is valid, the way she expressed it might have been more damaging than helpful. For Tammy, this confrontation seems to be part of a larger narrative of transformation. She's not just trying to lose weight anymore, she's trying to take control of her life. And for her, that means speaking the truth, even when it's hard. "I used to sit back and let people baby me," she said in a confessional. "Now I see how dangerous that was. I love my sister, but I won't let her kill herself with food. Not if I can help it." Amy, for her part, has remained mostly quiet in the aftermath. But in a TikTok posted days after the blow-up, she seemed to acknowledge the confrontation indirectly. "People are gonna talk no matter what," she said, looking tired but calm. "But I'm still here, still trying, one day at a time." Fans immediately took the post as a subtle clap back to Tammy's criticism, and the comments section lit up with support. "You got this, Amy," one follower wrote. "Don't let anyone tell you who you are. We've seen your strength." Others offered more caution. "We love you, but you gotta get help again. Do it for your babies." The emotional complexity of the Slayton sisters' bond is a hallmark of 1000 LB sisters. They fought, reconciled, cried, and carried each other through the darkest times. But as each sister continues to change, physically and emotionally, their relationship is being tested in new and profound ways. Tammy's fiery words may have come from a place of love, but they also reflect her own fears. After all, she knows better than anyone what's at stake when someone gives up on their health. As production continues on the new season, fans are wondering what's next. Will Amy find her footing again? Will Tammy's tough love drive a wedge between them, or finally break the cycle? For now, one thing is certain, this isn't just reality TV drama. This is real life, real pain, real healing, and real consequences. In a world where extreme weight loss journeys are often glorified for their aesthetics, the Slayton sisters remind us that the real battles are often invisible. Behind the surgery scars, the reality show lights, and the social media filters are two women trying to save their lives, and maybe, just maybe, each other. Amy's journey is far from over. Whether she embraces Tammy's challenge or walks away from the pressure will shape not just her storyline, but the future of the show itself. With ratings surging and audience engagement at an all-time high, TLC is undoubtedly capitalizing on the drama. But even producers are reportedly treading carefully. "These are real people with real struggles," one staff member told a source. "It's our job to tell their story, not manipulate it." Behind the scenes, family members are also stepping in. Amanda, the sisters' outspoken sibling, has reportedly taken on the role of peacemaker, trying to get Tammy and Amy to talk again without cameras rolling. "They love each other," Amanda said in a now-deleted Instagram comment. "They just forget how to show it sometimes." Ultimately, the public blow-up may serve as a turning point. For Tammy, it's a declaration that she refuses to be the passive sister anymore. For Amy, it's a wake-up call that could either break her down or build her back up. Either way, fans will be watching. And while the sisters may be fighting now, history has shown time and again that their bond, though complicated, is rooted in something deeper than anger or disappointment. It's rooted in survival, in shared trauma, and in the unspoken truth that, at the end of the day, no one understands them quite like each other. As new episodes air and the dust begins to settle, viewers are left with more questions than answers. But one thing's for sure, the next chapter of 1000 LB Sisters is going to be raw, emotional, and impossible to look away from. Whether Tammy and Amy can come back from this latest rift remains to be seen. But if there's one thing fans have learned over the seasons, it's this: never count a Slayton sister out. They may stumble, they may fall, but time and again, they get back up, stronger, wiser, and more determined than ever. And in a world hungry for real stories of redemption, that's what keeps viewers coming back. Because the journey is never perfect. It's messy, painful, and often unfair. But it's theirs, and they're not done telling it yet. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.